welcome to a real mood boosting, cardiovascular enhancing movement session. Let's get started with just a gentle kick. Reach your hand down and across. Few movements to wake up and warm up our bodies. A few movements, they're gonna challenge us. Go at your own pace. Slow things down when you need to, but see if you can't elevate the heart rate. Get a little sweat going today. Let's feel the real aliveness of our bodies. An appreciation for our hearts, for everything that we can do. We get to move our bodies today. When you're ready, just move around your space. A little bounce to your step. All right. Let's just shift from side to side. Gentle knee bend. Punch across. Just twist into it ever so gently. Move steadily, move quickly. Still a great opportunity to practice presence. Really focus on your breath work. And rise up with me. Let's just shuffle a little to the side and twist. A playful little skip. Twist and turn. Rise up just a bit. Twist it out. Yeah. Step to the side. Arms come up. Up tall. Cross your arms over your body. Squat down just a bit and get big. Start to begin to move a little quicker. Just a reminder. Every week or so, find some movement that increases the heart rate, gets that sweat a-flowing, the blood and oxygen circulating, just so that the things that we love to do, we can do with a little bit more ease. Climbing stairs and hills becomes a joy and a pleasure, rather than a punishment. All right. Whew. Step back now and open up. Tap that toe. Open up wide. Head up. See if you can't bring your shoulder blades together. Get this. Some mobility. Strength as we build beautiful cardiovascular endurance. All right, all right, all right. Step to the side. Narrow stance. Gently bend down. Touch the ground if you can. But let's move quickly from side to side. Just a couple more here. And then, now, the next few exercises, let's move. You got this. Do your very best. Just a simple march, but whenever it feels right, really bring that leg up And if you can, a gentle skip. Find the joy in the skip. Move around. Head up. Yeah. Yeah. Keep an eye in the background. There's lots of deer around. Maybe somebody will pop by and say hello. All right. Skater. Tap your toe behind your body. Swing your arms. You choose your pace. Maybe it's like, yeah, it's enough. I just want to stretch things out. You can slow it down. You can also head up high. Notice, you just bring ultimate focus, attention into the movement. We get out of that, oh, this is too hard. Oh, I want to stop. No, just be here, right now. I got this. And you do. All right. Whether it's going to the wall, a chair, ottoman, I'm coming to the ground. Mountain climber, so much is happening. Do your best. Just drive your knee towards your chest as quickly as you like. I do encourage you to get to the ground as often as possible, just to sit crisscross, to do a few movements from the ground, just sitting on the ground and getting up. Let's go a little quicker. Strength. You got it. A little quicker. Yeah. Come on up. It's fun to move quickly. I'm going to challenge you now. Hopscotch. Do your best. Just think, we're on the playground as children. There's the hopscotch court. 2, 1, 2, 1. See, I've messed up the rhythm at the beginning. I do this all the time. 2, 1, 2, 1. Do your best. Once you get the rhythm, want to go a little quicker. 3, 2, 1. Just walk with me and breathe. Let's slow it down, cool down. Going a little quicker from time to time, getting that heart rate up. It really does make the walks that much more enjoyable. Doesn't take super Herculean effort. Just raising the heart rate. Getting the sweat a-flowing every once in a while. Help us feel alive. Slow things down. Gentle twist. Just come up off your heel. Invite you, breathe into one side, out to the other. Just notice. Slow it down. Step. Gentle side bend. Feel that beautiful stretch all through your side body. One more here. And yeah. Let's just stand together. Bring your hands to your heart. Close your eyes. And just notice. Let's just bring all of our attention to our beating heart. Every time your mind wanders off, just notice and bring your attention back to the beautiful beating of your heart. Whew. Shake it all out. Feel that energy. Go have the most glorious of days. I will see you tomorrow. Well done. We'll slow it down tomorrow, I promise.